Chili leaves disease detection using thermal images and machine learning classification. Abstract. The chili leaves disease detection using thermal images and machine learning classification project aims to address the critical issue of early disease detection in agriculture using advanced machine learning techniques. Document. In document we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. In PPT we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope and references. Results. This is the home page. On this page, users can enter their personal details for registration, including name, email, and password, to create a new account and gain access to the platform's features. On this page, users can log in using their credentials, including username and password, to access their account and use the platform's personalized features and services. This page provides a brief description of the project, outlining its objectives, scope, and key features to give users an understanding of its purpose and goals. On this page, users can upload images for prediction, allowing the system to analyze and provide results based on the content of the uploaded files. Classified image is leaf curl, indicating that the system has detected and identified the presence of leaf curl disease in the analyzed image. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030333433.